change?
It's important that we teach our students about climate change because I believe that they're going to see, and future generations are going to see, a very different climate than we currently have. And they need to understand what they're doing to affect climate and what's naturally occurring in the climate. And perhaps we can mitigate any effects that we're having. But they're not going to be able to do that unless they know more about it. I teach oceanography, and we deal quite a lot with climate change. For example, just today we were discussing the effects of climate change on coral reefs and the fact that coral reefs are bleaching or they're losing their zooxanthellates, a type of algae that they need to grow, and therefore the coral reefs die. We also talk about islands that are going underwater because of climate change as the sea level's rising. So we discuss at almost every topic something about climate change and its effect on the ocean. And of course the ocean is essential for our survival, so without the ocean we're not around. I think that teaching about climate has been very successful because students are willing to make changes that might be necessary to change the environment. I think they can see some of the changes that are occurring as well that are the direct result of what's happening in the climate. So they are looking to the future and are seeing how very different maybe their children's lives are going to be or their grandchildren's lives because of what they're doing now. And again, they are willing to make those changes. Hylton has a very successful environmental club. They work weekly with our sponsor, Mrs. Musto. They recently had a day where they had students come in and they played games to learn more about ecology, what we're doing to the environment, stressing recycling, and things that might help us address our future climate needs.